What's Epson Scan Driver? The Epson Scan Driver is a software that allows you to use your Epson scanner with your computer. The Epson Scan Driver can do many things for you, such as scan documents, photos, and other items in various modes, such as full auto mode, home mode, office mode, and professional mode. Adjust the scan settings, such as the resolution, color, brightness, contrast, and size. Save, print, or email the scanned images in various formats, such as JPEG, PDF, TIFF, and BMP. Use the Epson Scan utility to manage your scanned files and perform basic editing functions, such as cropping, rotating, and enhancing. Use the Epson Scan to Cloud service to upload your scanned files to online storage services, such as Dropbox, Google Drive, and Evernote. You can learn more about the Epson Scan Driver and how to download and install it on their official website.